Hey ladies, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Mrs. Emily Paints, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this blue cut crease with the Naruto palette by Colourpop. If I sound like I'm whispering, you guys, it's because I'm literally filming this at 6 in the morning when everybody's asleep. The only time I can literally edit. Okay, so first we're going to be going in with this dark shade, which is one of my favorites in this palette. And I'm going to be taking a fluffy brush and patting this all over my crease. I also did not set my concealer, you guys. I purposely did this so that I can get the most out of this eyeshadow. So we're going to continue applying this eyeshadow in tapping motions only because we need to set the concealer, you guys. If we start blending right away, it'll mix with the concealer and we could make a mess. So after you have applied this in tapping motions, we're going to go ahead and start blending side to side and in circular motions just so that our eyeshadow starts to look blended. The brush that I'm using, you guys, is from Morphe and Jaclyn Hill. You guys, I have had these brushes for years. I love them. I don't think I will change them. If anything, I will just get some new ones. Next, I'm going in with this blue shade and we're going to be applying this on our crease and try to keep it in this same area, you guys. You do not want to touch your brow bone with this color because it is very, very blue. These colors actually leave some stains, you guys, if you don't take the eyeshadow off right away. As you guys can see, I'm building up the intensity of the blue. I'm going back in with more product and I'm kind of drawing a little tail at the end of the eyeshadow. As you guys can see in that corner, I'm kind of making it like go outwards. That's because we're going to be cleaning it out at the end. You guys will see what I'm talking about. Next, we're going to be going in with this green shade. It is very, very light, you guys. I'm just using this to blend out the blue at the top. I usually blend side to side, you guys, or in circular motions. Disregard that little hairbrush that fell out. I need some new brushes, honestly. Anyways, we're going to take this all the way towards this inner area and all the way out towards that outer corner. Also, you guys, try not to touch your brow bone too much because this green will still be visible at the top. And now I'm going back in with some more blue just to intensify the blue, you guys, because it did come off a little bit when I used the green. So I'm going back in and I'm just going to be blending this side to side. And I'm going to be doing the exact same thing with the darker shade. We're going to be going back in with this one. And we're also going to be blending that out just to add some more product because it does come off when we apply another color, if you know what I mean. Meanwhile, I'm blending, you guys. I just wanted to ask, did any of you guys see the Oppenheimer movie or Oppenheimer? I don't even know how to pronounce it. Let me know in the comments because I just went to go see it yesterday and honestly, they used so many big words that I was so lost. But anyways, I'm going in with this eye makeup remover by Neutrogena and I'm going in with the pointy Q-tip just to cut my crease, you guys. Also, the pointy Q-tips, they are available on my website. I sell them down below in the details. So if you guys want to go check out my website, I also sell eyelashes, lip glosses, glitter, a bunch of different beauty products. So make sure you guys check out my cosmetic line. And if you guys didn't know, the reason why I'm cutting my crease with the makeup remover liquid is because it gives it a more intense cut crease after you apply whatever concealer or base you're going to be using. You will see what I'm talking about right now, you guys. But I recommend you do not skip this step because it makes your eyeshadow look so much cleaner, so much more intense and professional. But anyways, I'm going to be using the same Q-tip, you guys, to clean out the outer corner of my eye. And I'm going to use my waterline as a guide to kind of sharpen that edge out, as you guys can see. If you have trouble doing this, make sure you use a piece of tape because that also works. Apply the tape before you apply the eyeshadow and it creates the same effect, you guys. After we clean this area out, you guys, I'm going to be going in with my Beauty Creations foundation. I love this foundation. I use this religiously, you guys, for my cut creases because it gives you such a nice, very white base. And when your eye is cleaned out with the makeup remover liquid and you apply this, just look at how intense this cut crease is starting to look. It's my favorite technique, you guys. I recommend you try it if you haven't. Also, the reason why I like using this foundation instead of concealer is because it has a very thick consistency. It kind of works like an actual eyeshadow primer. I love it. Also, you guys, this brush is from my cosmetic line as well. It is my favorite to do my cut creases. I recommend you guys get one. The link is down below in the details. On my website, you guys can purchase this. This brush, you guys, is actually part of a brush collection that I have on my website. It is not sold separately, but it is the only set that I have on there, so you'll know which one it is. Next, I'm going in with this light blue shade, and we're going to be patting this down all over that base. And at first, you guys, it looks a little bit messy, but just trust the process like I always say. And make sure you guys do not touch the colors above on our crease because we don't want the dark shades to disappear with the light shade. Now we're going in with the light green on that outer corner just to blend it out. And as you guys can see, that green is actually visible here at the top. You can barely see it. And now we're going back in with the blue shade just to put that on top. But also, you guys, make sure you leave that green shade peeking at the edge. As you guys can see, I'm not applying it right on top. Now we're going back in with the dark shade that we used, and we're going to be applying that right on top of the blue. As you guys can see, we kind of have a patchy situation here, but we're going to rebuild this up. We're going back in with green, blue, and also the dark shade again. And this is just going to start to build up that dark shade that we need at that outer corner because it looks very patchy right now. Next, we're going to be going in with this shimmery blue, you guys, which I personally loved from the palette. And just a quick tip, you guys, when you apply eyeshadows like this shimmery one, you want to use a setting spray to spray your brush when you grab some of the product so that it intensifies the glitter. That is what I did so that the color can pop a little bit more. I just didn't show it on camera, but I did spray my brush just to make it more intense. And now I'm going back in with the darker shade just to build up that edge. Like I said, we need that edge as dark as possible. And I'm not taking this color all the way in, just right there in the middle so that it looks kind of like a ombre effect. And now I'm going in with my Morphe mascara, you guys, so I can apply my false lashes. I know I have really small lashes, and but I still notice them under my fake ones, so I have to put mascara. Now I'm going in with my glue. This is from my website, you guys. The link is down below, like I said. And I'm applying my lashes, which I purchased from Amazon. I will look for the link and put it down below because I'm not sure what they're called. And this is the finishing look, you guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. And also leave a comment down below. Comment blue if you saw this all the way through so that I know that you're a real one and you're actually watching my videos all the way. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.